Hi, my name is Candy Skihan, also known as Chicks Do It Too, and this is my 1986 CJ7. This is actually a Laredo, so there's a few details that the Laredo came with that the base model did not come with. This is an inline 6 258. It's original to the vehicle. The T5 transmission is also original to the vehicle. This was a full frame-off restoration for us that took us a year and a half to do, my husband and myself, and we rebuilt everything you see. We did it all. Except we had the engine sent out to be rebuilt, we had the transmission sent out to be rebuilt, and we had the Dana 300 sent out to be rebuilt. We wanted that perfect, so we sent them to the right places, and it works beautifully. Everything is very smooth. So we put a Warren winch on here. We've got LP4s from Baja Designs. We upgraded the tires from the 15s that originally came on it. They called them wagon wheels. I wanted to keep the original look, and I kept the steel wheels as well. So we went with a 17-inch wagon wheel to keep that original look and feel, and went with Toyo tires. They're about 31s. They ride great on the road, by the way. I really like it. We were interested in trying out a rooftop tent for this, so we had somebody actually build this cage that you see and attach it from the front of the body to the back bumper, so it's nice and solid. The tent itself is by Inspired Overland, and it is carbon fiber. It only weighs 80 pounds. It's one of the most lightweight rooftop tents on the market, and whenever we're driving, we don't even know it's up there. The seats were not in good condition. They weren't even original seats. So we took them out and did carbos. These are the Moabs, and they fit perfectly in the CJ. We did the S-Pod Mini 6 to control things, the lights, the rock lights, interior lighting, air compressor, fridge, and then we also have an oven that we use up here. We replaced the gauges. None of them matched, so I replaced all of them. They're by a company called Speed Hut, and they're completely custom. So if you wanted something with a more original feel, you absolutely have the ability to do that. I went a little more crazy with it. I had fun with it, and I went with the gray as kind of a nod to the Laredo, because they always had chrome touches on the Laredo itself. We installed a Midland radio. Really liking that. It's very compact. So we've got the handheld piece up here, and then inside we've actually got in the center console the ultra compact piece that it all works off of. We went with, on the Dana 300, we switched from a single stick to the twin stick, because whenever we had the Dana 300 rebuilt, the brand new springs and gears inside were heavy duty, and it was really difficult to shift. Didn't really want to feel like breaking anything. The twin stick makes it much easier to shift, and it gives us a little bit more control. Moving to the back, we did a full build out in the rear. So we built a box with storage, with lockable storage, that I could have the top off and still be able to have things that were secure inside. And this doubles as a sleeping platform for one person. So this is in two separate pieces. You have the ability to remove the most forward piece there, reinstall the seat, so I can seat two and sleep two. We went with, we went with a Dometic refrigerator. To 25. It's got 6 gallons of water as well. I actually had to manufacture those mounts myself. That's something that I came up with and I invented. There was nothing really built for the CJ7, so I had to get really creative with that. Trash bag by Blue Ridge Overland Gear. Really love this bag. And here's a better look at the most forward section of the sleeping platform. Lots of storage. My other Blue Ridge Overland Gear bag, love that. And we actually have them up here on the visors too. So if you want to know, do they fit? Yes, they do. And that's it. It's a short tour. It's a short vehicle, but I'm very happy with how it came out. Thanks for coming by.